At the outset of the 21st century, Asia is experiencing a significant shift in global power dynamics. Once primarily dominated by China, the balance is now starting to lean towards another major player, India. As one of the world's fastest-growing economies, India is launching a series of monumental infrastructure megaprojects that are set to redefine its new role. So what are the megaprojects that India is boasting about? And will these megaprojects really bring India to the top of the global scale? Let's find out. Before we get into it, do give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you're done with that, then let's get started. At the heart of India's infrastructure transformation lies a series of megaprojects spanning various sectors, from transportation and energy to urban development. These endeavors not only aim to address the country's internal needs, but also position India as a formidable player on the world stage, potentially rivaling even China's dominance in the region. That being said, let's delve into some of India's most ambitious infrastructure initiatives. Chinab Rail Bridge. The Chinab Railway Bridge, an engineering marvel in the heart of India's Jammu and Kashmir region, exemplifies the country's commitment to modern infrastructure. This impressive bridge is set to become the world's highest railway bridge, surpassing even the Eiffel Tower in height. Standing at about 358 meters above sea level, it spans the Chinab River and is constructed from steel and concrete, covering a distance of 42 kilometers between Bakal and Kauri. Construction began in November 2017, and the bridge, with a total length of 1,315 meters, reaches a height of 359 meters above the ground. Led by Northern Railway, the project features a distinctive arch shape supported by two robust steel trusses. It is expected to be operational from January to February 2024, with plans to run Vande Bharat and Vande Metro trains between Jammu and Srinagar, reducing travel time to just 3.5 hours. India Bullet Train. Leading India's infrastructure revolution is the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail project, often referred to as India's bullet train. This transformative initiative aims to redefine the nation's transportation system and elevate its global stature. Initiated by the National High-Speed Rail Corporation, this project will connect Mumbai and Ahmedabad with India's first bullet train. Although it was initially scheduled to start in April 2020, the project encountered significant construction delays. However, recent updates indicate it is now on track for completion by December 2023. The 352-kilometer stretch between Mumbai and Gujarat is expected to be operational by 2027, with a 50-kilometer segment between Surat and Bilimora slated for completion by 2026. These advancements represent significant progress toward a more rapid and efficient rail network in India. Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link. The Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, also known as the Sauri Nhava Sheva Trans-Harbour Link, or the Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Trans-Harbour Link, is one of India's significant mega-projects. This ambitious project involves constructing a 21.8-kilometer-long 6-lane road bridge that will connect Mumbai to its satellite city, Navi Mumbai. Upon completion, it will be the longest sea bridge in India. The bridge will begin in Sauri, South Mumbai, cross the Thane Creek north of Elephanta Island, and end near Nhava Sheva. It will link the Mumbai-Pune expressway in the east with the under-construction coastal road in the west. This 6-lane highway will be 27 meters wide and will include 2 emergency exit lanes, an edge strip, and a crash barrier. The total project cost is estimated at 17,843 crore, about 2.2 billion. Contracts were awarded in November 2017, and construction commenced in April 2018, but faced an 8-month delay due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The project is now scheduled for completion by December 2023, with an estimated 70,000 vehicles expected to use the bridge daily. Once operational, the bridge will significantly ease travel between Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. Palais Royale. The Palais Royale, currently under construction in bustling Mumbai, stands out as a remarkable architectural wonder. Symbolizing India's burgeoning interest in luxury and innovation, this skyscraper will soar to a height of 320 meters, approximately 1,050 feet, making it India's tallest building and the third tallest structure in the country. While the primary construction was completed in 2018, both the exterior and interior are still undergoing refinement, with an anticipated finish date set for December 31, 2023. Upon completion, the building will accommodate 120 expansive apartments ranging from 740 to 1,300 square meters, approximately 8,000 to 14,000 square feet. Situated on land formerly owned by Sri Ram Mills Limited. Construction commenced in 2008, following permissions granted in 2005. Legal hurdles, notably from organizations like John Hitman and UHRF in Delhi, caused delays, but these were ultimately resolved by the Supreme Court of India in October 2019. Despite challenges, the consensus suggests that these obstacles were more about competition than genuine concerns. Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. The Delhi-Mumbai Expressway is a massive infrastructure project currently underway in India. It spans 8 lanes and covers a distance of 1,350 kilometers, linking the capital city of Delhi with the financial hub of Mumbai. Construction of the expressway commenced on March 8, 2019. Once completed, it is expected to revolutionize travel, reducing the journey time between Delhi and Mumbai from 24 hours to just 12 hours. The project is forward-thinking, with plans in place to reserve land for an additional 4 lanes in the future. Considered one of India's most ambitious endeavors, the expressway is projected to have a significant impact on the country's economic growth, with a total estimated cost, including land acquisition, of around 1 lakh crore Indian rupees, approximately $13.1 billion. India's proactive approach is leaving an indelible mark on the global stage. World's first glaciated motorable road, launched by the Indian Army's Border Roads Organization, BRO, in 1985, the project aims to construct a motorable road through the formidable glaciers surrounding Umling La. This road will link the Dalboldi military base near the Chinese border, situated at a staggering altitude of 17,800 feet above sea level. The dedicated engineers and workers known as the Mountain Tamers have already achieved a Guinness World Record by building the world's highest motorable road at Umling La Pass, an astonishing 19,300 feet. Despite encountering extreme weather conditions, including winter temperatures plummeting below 50 Celsius, they have showcased remarkable resilience and expertise. This road holds immense strategic importance as it enhances connectivity, facilitates troop movements, and ensures swift transport of supplies to remote military outposts. The construction process involves overcoming myriad challenges, such as blasting through ice and navigating treacherous glacial surfaces, employing advanced engineering techniques and equipment. Project Hymank not only bolsters India's defense infrastructure, but also brings benefits to local communities by promoting tourism and fostering economic development in the secluded regions of Ladakh. The road stands as a testament to India's engineering prowess and unwavering determination to overcome nature's most formidable obstacles. So, what do you think about India's unbelievable megaprojects? Are their projects better than China's? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like today's content, do give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.